Welcome to the AVL headquarters in Graz, the location for the topic of this feature, transmission calibration. Transmission calibration is a complex and time-consuming task with an ever-increasing number of vehicle variants, so a special approach is necessary. Here at AVL, there's an innovative solution and it's called CAMEO Transmission. Let's go inside and talk to the engineers about their product. Now, before we get into the details and take a look at the practical application of CAMEO Transmission, let's talk to Gianluca Vitale, AVL's Product Manager of Calibration Technologies. Gianluca, can you give me a brief summary of everything that is CAMEO Transmission, please?
From many years now, AVL CAMEO has been recognized as an innovative product in the field of the engine calibration, and now we recognize the need to develop a new tool for the transmission calibration.
Okay, and what's technically new about this development?
Basically, the transmission calibration engineer needs to calibrate the shift quality, needs a test track and a vehicle prototype. And because of the increasing number of vehicle variants, from the point of view of the cost, it's not anymore allowed to proceed in this way. That's why we developed a tool which allows to reduce the usage of prototype and at the same time to have an objective shift quality evaluation.
Thanks, Gianluca. So now, let's look at it from a user's point of view. Here we are in the middle of preparations for a transmission test. Next to me, Jeff Lewis, AVL's Manager of Calibration Technologies. Jeff, your day-to-day work revolves around transmission development. CAMEO Transmission, breakthrough technology, what's new?
Well, one thing that's very important, that's new to us, is the fact that we moved our work now from the road, from the test track, to the chassis dyno. But before we can go there, we have to plan our tests properly.
Preparation for test, what's involved there?
Well, let me show you. Here we have a wizard that walks us through the test planning. The test planning allows us then to define the area where we work and the calibrations that we need. That automatically generates us our test plan, and then we're ready for the chassis dyno.
And that's where we're off to next. So Jeff, can you explain the systems to us briefly, please? What exactly happens here?
Well, as you know, we've got our test now from the office, and it's time to run that test. So we bring it down here, and we've got an automatic way to make this test run. So let me show you the system. Our system, we control the roller to get the speed that we want to move to, and then we control in the vehicle using a driver controller, the pedal angle for the vehicle, and also the shift mechanism so we can make those shifts. Once we have those shifts, then we need to do something with it, and that's how we measure the system. Let me show you what we're doing at the back of the vehicle. So this is our vehicle attachment. Our vehicle attachment has got a special device. This is a force sensor, and with this force sensor we can measure the shift quality. The data goes through, goes into AVL Drive and then is rated, and those ratings then go back into the CAMEO system.
Okay, and what's the ultimate result of all of that?
Well, for us this is important because this allows us to decouple our testing work from our calibration work. And that means we can pack together all of these vehicle tests. It means now we need the vehicle for the testing for only a matter of hours. Previously this was days or weeks. Yeah.
Yes, because we want to experience this for ourselves, our next port of call is the test track.
Okay, Peter, I got the data, I've built the models now, and I've come up with some calibrations, so we'll try the sports one in the car.
Great, let's go.
Let's go.
And your opinion as an expert?
I think it's sporty, it's fun, it's really good.
So in short, AVL CAMEO Transmission has delivered.
Oh yeah.
And that's where we leave you. Till the next time on AVL Report.